Hi, this is Rich from Mustangs To Fear. Today we're going to show you how we do a urethane set on a 69 Mustangs. Now, normally these were put in with butyl kits, but we like to use urethane, more of a modern install. And what we're going to be using is the Essex U418 HV. HV is for high viscosity. So what it is, it's a very thick urethane that's going to hold this windshield up. Regular urethane, the windshield will just keep going down to the pinch weld. The other thing that we're going to be using is the 5504 pinch weld primer. So if you look, we've actually put the pinch weld primer on the glass, and we've actually put it on the pinch weld of the car. So that's all that's necessary. So what I usually do is warm these things up a little bit, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start running the urethane on the glass. Now what I've done, now you can do this two ways. You could actually put it on the pinch weld, or you can put it on the glass. Either way, this actually works a little better for me. I put a guide on this thing. So what this is going to do, this is going to keep this urethane exactly where I want it. And this is going to give it a nice even bead. Now if you notice, this has a V cut in it, and this is to give us the height that we want on this. Because you can't put too skinny of a bead on this, otherwise the glass will just set down too low and you're going to have a big gap between your glass and your molding. So you've got to cut your V the right depth. Now don't attempt to make your own V-tip with this guide on it. This is a patent pending right now, so don't be getting any ideas. These normally take about a tube and a half, normally. So if you're squeezing by with a tube, you're probably not getting your bead as tall as it should be. Okay, now, next I'll have my lovely assistant give me a hand, Vanna. Wait a minute.
Dan,
no, I guess we're using Dan today. Okay, we're going to put these suction cups on. I was really hoping for Vanna.
Well, you're stuck with me. So.
Okay, all right.
Beggars can't be choosers.
Okay, now comes the hard part, because we got to put this thing in, and we got a real tight tolerances here, so we do not want to mess up. Now you'll notice I've got tape here on the bottom, so this windshield was already preset and adjusted for height, side to side, and everything. So we're going to watch this as it goes down to the very bottom where that tape is at, because that's how we want to line that up, just like that, so we know it fits perfect. Then the top's going to come down, and we're really not going to put any pressure on it. We're going to let the moldings adjust the height of this. So at this point here right now, we're going to pull this tape off. We put this on there just in case we missed it, and we didn't want to get it on the paint and get it all over the clip. So now this part here will come off. And we are going to put some moldings on. Same thing on all my other videos, I always mark where my clips are at so I don't have to second guess where they're at. So we're going to line this up here at the top, get this down here on the bottom, and if everything goes right, it should clip in place. That's the sound I like to hear. That's a good sound. That's another good sound. Okay, now we're going to put the top in and work our way across. Grab that right there, Dan. Now here, hold that right there. This car's sitting a little higher than we normally have them. So, get that in right about like so. You should have enough over there, I think, Dan. Okay. Now this one here needs to go down. Just a fuzz. And there it is. Okay, sides on. Now we'll walk over here and get this side. I take it you want me to put this side on too. Could you hand me that, Vanna? Thank you, dear. Set that right there. Okay. Now, Dan, hold this bottom down here just in case. And we want to make sure that this molding is slided over, so this actually could go over this way a little bit. But that might be a little on the difficult side now because we got to snap down a lot.
There we go.
Okay. Let's see how much we got there. Okay, that's just going to be right there. Oops. How much do we have there? I'd like to have maybe just a fuzz more. If I can get it. Oop. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to snap that in right there. Get that one back up. I'm going to take this one here and snap it down. Like so. Okay, now here's where we want to look and see if that glass is up where we actually want it. There it is. And if it isn't, then we can block it up from the inside. So right now, that's fitting pretty good. Okay, I think it's good. Okay, now that the windshield's set, when we go to put the back glass in, it's actually a gasket set. So we'll use 418, just regular 418, not the HV, just regular 418, and we'll seal between the glass and the gasket. And then that's how we'll do the back glass on that. Now we already have our 65 to 68 windshield installation, so now that completes this for the 6970. So thanks for watching.